Okay, so right now I'm with my sisters-in-law and we're driving up the canyon to my in-laws' cabin. And my father-in-law needs some help. The grass up there has not been mowed yet this season. So we've got a couple of mowers. We're driving up there right now. No idea what to expect. I'm told that the grass hasn't been mowed at all this year, and we're already into almost June. So I think what we'll do is we'll expect the worst, we'll hope for the best, and we'll hope that we have enough daylight to finish this. So we'll head up the canyon, we'll go and survey the situation, see what's going on, get the mowers out, and then we'll see how much we can get done tonight. So let's head up the canyon and get this done. So it's pretty well overgrown, but I think it's doable. We've got 2 mowers here, and I think we can get this done. So this part here around the trees, we don't mow this area here. We'll just mow everything around here, in here, back behind the cabin there, and around the other side here. Let's do it. All right, that's gonna do it for us here, which is good because it's about dark and it was kind of a struggle. That zero-turn mower just kept getting clogged. It's older, and the where the grass goes up into the catcher, it's a very thin opening behind the blades, and so if the grass is wet or long or clumpy, it gets clogged up super easy. But we made it through. It looks way better, and I think now we can at least stay on top of this thing throughout the season here. It's about an hour drive from where we live to get here, but it sure is a pretty place, and we like spending time up here. So we'll have to come back here soon and do it again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Oh dear.